You can view, add, delete, or edit your company's payment methods in QuickBooks Online in the Payment Methods list. To view the payment methods list in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the All Lists link under the Lists heading in the menu that appears to open the Lists page. Click the Payment Methods link in the Lists page to open the Payment Methods list page. This list contains all the payment methods your company accepts. To create a new payment method, click the New button in the upper right corner of the Payment Methods page. In the new payment method window that opens, type a name for the payment method into the name field. If the payment method is a credit card or a debit card, check the This is a credit or debit card checkbox. To save it when finished, click the Save button. To run a payment methods quick report on a payment method in the payment methods list, click the Run Report link under the Action column in the Desired Payment Methods row. To edit an existing payment method, click the drop-down under the Action column for the Payment Methods row, and then select the Edit link to open the Edit Payment Method window. Then change any payment method information and click the Save button to save the changes. If you edit a payment method, it changes in every transaction in which you used it. You also cannot edit the cash payment method. To inactivate a payment method, click the drop-down under the Action column for the Payment Methods row, and then click the Make Inactive link. To continue and deactivate the payment method, then click Yes in the confirmation window that appears to confirm your choice. If you inactivate a payment method, any form in which you used it shows name and then in parentheses the word deleted, where name is the name of the inactivated payment method. So, for example, if you deleted a Discover card payment method, the form reads Discover parentheses deleted. It also appears like this within the payment methods list if you choose to show inactive list items. To reactivate a deleted payment method if needed, click the Settings button in the upper right corner of the Payment Methods list, and then check the Include Inactive checkbox in the drop-down menu that appears. Doing this then shows the inactive payment methods in your list. Then click the Make Active link that appears under the Action column in the Inactivated Payment Methods row. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.